Okay, also the process is pretty straightforward. Let's go through it. So let's say I got here my my zip file. I'll open it up. Here I have it. So this file I need to copy into the directory where the indicators are. So here, which you see here, it's basically within my trader directory, experts indicators. And now I'll take my signals and copy it here. Okay, it says I will overwrite. Just cancel. Let's say I had it. So I need the other one. Which one is missing? Big. It's, let's see, it's quick. We need quick. So go back to indicator directory. And now we'll copy our quick. Okay, now we have the 4 ITM signals here. And if we go into our trader environment and then we look here over navigator, and basically it's within here, it's inside the custom indicators. If you go down a little bit, here they are. And it's very easy. Oh, as you can see, I can see the quick. So I will just close this down and open it up again so it will be refreshed. And there's our quick now. Okay, so we are live. And let's say we want to move the quick one first. We just drag and drop here. We accept. And we can see here these small, tiny little arrows. These are basically indicating that there are quick movements. So here the green one is saying, looks like that this is going up now, so you can buy. And then it tells you it's going down, and you sell again. And as far as I can see here, it's quite accurate. Like here is indication buy, and then it goes up and up and up and up and up. And then it says, okay, now it's better to sell. Buy again, sell. So looks very accurate. Let's see the big moves. Big moves. I accept. And now we see big arrows. So basically the difference is that the big and the small moves is basically the time. So you could use both and say if you like to do day trading and quick trading within minutes or maybe half an hour, then you would use the quick moves. And if you prefer the more trade at a midterm, let's say a few days, then you would use the big move and you will see arrows again. Let's take the next one, the ITMF signal alert. Okay, accept. And this basically draws below here a similar indication, which I will go into later in the following slide. What we're missing are the signals, so just grab them on here. Okay, and the signals are these lines. The blue lines go up and the red lines go down, and they basically indicate where the movement is going to go. So as you can see, for example, within here, it's going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, but the signal says it's a downtrend, so don't buy. And then it says go up, and it goes up and up and up. Then there's a small break, and it says, okay, you may go down, but basically it's determining a more long-term trend. And so you really don't bother about this movements here. So if you say, let's say you get let's take it here. You get your buy signal, goes up and goes up and goes up, and then it turns red, and then you should sell. Okay, that are the 4 indicators that we've copied in here, and I will now, I've drawn a nice graph for you where you can see them all together. So basically, here the big arrows, these are they coincide with what I'll be showing you later, which is basically indicating here when it goes green that is going up, and here the same. As I said before, you should not only use one indicator, you should use at least 2 to confirm the trend. And so in this, you can see this is the IM big move, this is the ITM OTSR signals, and then we have here in the violet example, we have also a quite nice movement for the short, or what was it, the quick move, and it starts here, goes up, and ends here, and then tells you should sell. Okay, in the next part I will be going into this ITM financial SIG alert. You will see this plan below.